Top stories. Kept not table in Rajya Sabha today. House adjourned till 11 am tomorrow. Five protesters, including one Amoco volunteers, injured and one Mera Paivi in police action during CA bill protests. Massive anti-bill protest continues unabated despite 144 CRPC being claimed by government. MPCC state said in protest against CAB in New Delhi, withdraw a CA bill immediately, asserts CLP leaders Oibobi. State CPI mocks BJP-led coalition for being double-faced, claims CM supports CAB. Nude protest take against CAB in front of BJP office and Manpack will continue CAB agitation along with people, asset convener of Manpack, Y. Dilip Kumar. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur, the news read by HARIPRIYA. Now let's have the news in details. CA bill was not tabled in the upper house today. Rajya Sabha has been adjourned till 11 am on February 13 as uproar continue over Samajwadi Party SP leader Akhilesh Yadav episode at Lucknow airport. Proceeding of the Rajya Sabha continued to be disrupted due to various issues. There has been widespread speculation that the citizenship bill would be introduced in the Rajya Sabha. After the day of ruckus, the House was adjourned twice before it was adjourned till 11 am of February 13 eventually.
रिकॉर्ड तो नहीं जाएगी, पुनः मेरा निवेदन होगा अपनी सीटों पर लौटे और बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी के तहत जो चीजें तय हुई हैं उस बहस को आगे चलने दे। बजट पर भी चर्चा होनी बाकी है। राष्ट्रपति का अभिभाषण कितना महत्वपूर्ण है आप जानते हैं। अपनी अपनी सीट पर कृपया बैठो, राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर चर्चा आगे चलने दे। ये हमारा संवैधानिक दायित्व है। ये हमारा आप उसके लिए प्रॉपर नोटिस दें, माननीय चेयरमैन उस पर विचार करेंगे जरूर। और वरना राष्ट्रपति का अभिभाषण, राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण के दौरान आप ये सारी बातें कह सकते हैं। राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण में ये सारी बातें आप कह सकते हैं। मेरा बार बार आपसे मेरी अपील है कि अपनी सीटों पर जाएं और कृपया राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर जो हमारा संवैधानिक दायित्व है वो हम समझें और उसको पूरा करें। माननीय चेयरमैन पिछले कई दिनों से आपसे अपील कर रहे हैं कि राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव पर चर्चा हमारा संवैधानिक दायित्व है। बजट जैसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज पर हम बात नहीं करें, पूरा देश देख रहा है। अगर बजट पर राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर हम चर्चा न करें और आप जो कुछ कहना चाहते हैं राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर ये सारी बातें कह सकते हैं। ये सारी बातें राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पर उठ सकती हैं। स्पष्ट लगता है कि बार बार चेयर के अपील के बावजूद आप नहीं चाहते कि हाउस की कार्रवाई आगे चले। The House stands adjourned till 11 hours on Wednesday, the 13th February 2019.
MP Dr. T. Manier raised his voice against CAB in the parliament, stating that the centre should not implement the legislation in the northeast, including the state of Manipur. He drew the attention of the speaker and declared that if the legislation is introduced in Manipur, the pre-merger status of the state should be reinstated. On the other hand, Union Minister Giriraj Singh said the bill should not be seen as vote politics. It is not government citizenship bill, it is for the nation, he added. At least 5 protesters, including one Mera Paibi and one volunteers injured of Amoco, were heard in police action during CA bill agitation at Kwakit Hill, Takelambam Lekai, along with Titim Road today. The injured protester were rushed to Rims Hospital immediately. On the other hand, one Meirapai B also sustained injury while protesting at Khanaurim Lekai. She was admitted to Advanced Hospital. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today organized a sit-in protest against CAPE at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. The demonstration kicked off at 10:30 a.m. as per reports. CLP leader and former Chief Minister Oibobi Singh, PCC President Gaikhangam, MLAs Govindas Konthozam, T.H. Lokeshwar, T.N. Haukip, K.H. Joykinson, A.K. Mirabai, O. Landoni and O. Henry were among the state Congress leaders who took part in the protest. Talking to national media at the protest, CLP leader Oibobi said the MPCC is protesting not only for the people of Manipur, but for the people of the entire northeastern states. The Citizenship Amendment Bill is a communal bill which is against the people of the entire northeast region. As such, the bill should be withdrawn immediately.
Against the fabric of the Constitution of India and also against the party, against the community of the entire Northeast. So we are protesting against this bill, even though it has already been passed by the Lok Sabha. They are trying to pass it again. Suddenly, today in the Rajya Sabha, they wanted to brought up in the Rajya Sabha. So our demand is this bill should be withdrawn, and if they wanted to pass a little modified bill, it should have to be first. They should have to withdraw the bill, and they can refer it to any appropriate committee, whether joint parliamentary committee or any appropriate committee. They can refer. They can reconsider. Otherwise, we are against this bill.
So, but the Indian government is saying that
NDA is BJP-led government. They don't care about the other northeastern, small states. They are thinking only mainland. Without the northeast, how can India can become a big country? This is not only Manipur. This is including their party government in Assam also, how they are protesting against this bill, and Meghalaya also, and Arunachal also, and including those Mizoram also. You see, even in the recent Republic Day also totally boycotting the Mizoram also. This is not only Manipur question and not only our party, this is not only the question of our party, the entire Northeast. It is against this bill. So we cannot accept it to pass this bill.
so Mr. Hazarika he returned his Bharat Ratna because
No, that's why not only Hazarika, in Manipur also, Mr. Sam Sharma, who is a Padma Shri award, he has already surrendered his award. And he said that if once this bill passed and became act, the indigenous people of Northeast, particularly Manipur, will become landless. And it will become a big hue and a cry in Manipur. That's why Mr. Sam Sharma, who is a film architect, and also even his Padma Shri award also already been surrendered. Not only Hazarika.
Citizenship Amendment Bill! Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi! Save!
The state CPI has claimed that the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur wants tabling of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in the Rajya Sabha, and that the Viren government also wants implementation of the legislation. Addressing media at Irawat Bhawan at Rupmahal Ting, Manipur CPI General Secretary L. Sotin Kumar condemned the police brutality meted out to women vendors of Imakaitel during anti-bill protests recently. Sotin Kumar, who is also the leader of 9 like-minded political parties which oppose CAPE, also condemned the Manipur government over imposition of curfew in Imphal West and Imphal East. He once again cleared the stain of the 9 political parties over CAPE and mocked the Biren government for proposing the Center for Insertion of a clause in CAPE that can protect the Northeast.
Ngasi nomani ni monu da curfew na traga amma makhangde mahak tha ma chupna curfew thamba ya bhong na de sarkar sina citizenship amendment bill si pass tor kan miyam bu namdur ma pan thon da thamba se obi aba thang na te aduna Karigumba Sarkar Sina passed over Tarabadi Mase Miamgi Iho Ase Masi Angakamba Barokino Fulham the Mas Mayonas Soidan Chakadaba Sumata Jama Soidana Adum Kadori Vaneva Maramaduna Miambu Namtagana Kanganu Garfield Tamaga Miam Namtagana Kanbigano Adulerina Close Hapakanda Ekoigi Citizenship Amendment Bill passed the Holuga Haiba Miam the talked about Adum Wahi Shinabigano Ekoi Miamna Palm Driba Adulerina Amendment Bill the same as Mayuk the fight or Bese was it Chap Chana Nasiki Sarkar Pariba Siri Birin Gilegana Tamalina Baroting out the thing of you some talk to
Restriction on the movement of unlawful assembly under Section 144 CRPC is still imposed in twin capital districts of Imphal West and Imphal East. Manipur is on the bowl over the bill for these. The Manipur government has promulgated the prohibitory order enforcing indefinite curfew from 3 early this morning. Police ordered public to stay indoors using loudspeaker on the streets. Security has been beefed up in vulnerable areas, including Imphal City, epicenter of the bill agitation. People coming out on the roads were seen back by police. Meanwhile, the government has ordered internet shutdown for 5 days in the state, sensing deterioration of law and order. As a part of the sustained anti-bill protests, a group of angry menfolk staged nude protests in front of Manipur BJP temporary office located at Kanchipur and also in Kiamgai area. Women vendors of Imakaithel continued to protest against CAPE at the market complex, breaking curfew imposed in Imphal West and Imphal East by the authorities from early hours of Tuesday. The women protesters vowed to carry on with the protest until Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 was scrapped. The Imakaithel vendors have been observing night hold at the market for the past few days, showing their unrelenting stand.
Pastor was a sugar or heavy dumta, Masiki Mayoktaneva, Queen Toxerice, was in Maruena, Miamna. Government see that over Tawong, and the government see Miang with the Miang is about only in the Zong Tokiba, and the Miam Yaba given to Na, Miang Papato, Birakani and Miam, Tazabata Magalagiba, state government Haitariko, Sina, Zuzik Yakogi, Miang Hojin, Namtana with them Haitare, Rise Sabada, Yang Tang, Masimo Tokadoriba, Citizen Amendment Bill Gimatang, Massimiang, Yapami Mak, the Lakadabagi Mami, Malay with the Gi, and Masida Gomena, okay, internet in Janba, curfew Tamjanba, Miang, Namdan, Tato, curfew Manung the neighbor, because she's Pagi, curfew Manung the neighbor, Miyama curfew to Varaga Tolokido, Sumba, Miangi, Suma Tawong, Jinamaram Moraga, Lebax, and Mishimina, talk to Makai, when the Mianga Pam, the Kang, the Bimom to the Masakoyam Zazan, other Maramoraga, Masi Maruena. Internet in Ba, the Gi, Kanutang Ba, the Gi, covered the press made out of Miang, Pam, Pontopia, democracy, Rache, Karinova, in the Agimaroba, in the Yam Sawa democracy, Sapaleba, and Pichidam Salineva, Aduma in the Adimanum and East Maneva Quasi, other democracy, Kariwan, Tokle Geva, other Marone said Gomina, Sumba Tok Mishimina, Yaudinga, Miang, Pam, Kanan Top, you have said, a quay marketing site, Hazari.
Under the aegis of Menpek, mass agitation against CAPE continues to steer the state. Locals of Kurai blocked the Kurai Tenzin Road today. The protesters burned tires on the road to block traffic while shouting various anti-bill slogans. On the other hand, in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, medical students of JNIMS take a sit-in protest during which they shouted several anti-CAPE slogans. Here is a report.
Hojik akoina leiba mafam asi Imphal East ki manung chana leiba JNIMS ki boys hostel ki mamang dani hojik medical satra sing yauna ngasidi lamdam asigi miam kaya amana tholaktuna CAB bill chatnaba yaroi pass to give yaroi highway kholau kaya amada ngasidi mahiroi kya amana medical mahiroi kya amna ju ngasidi khongjang leptana changselei hiramasi matangda medical satra singjina wafalonda kai leige haibadu mayam punam ta khangminasi songi ming amta haibiro aduga kai gi damak tano akhoi medical satra singji punna yaurga ngasidi changselei khongjang ngasida kai mot lebi ge ming amta haibi
ai gi ming Nabachandra Kaisham Janim Student Association gi president ngasi CAB hariba yamna satiba makal gi bill asi indigenous people da yamna sokpa maram oibana akhoi jo indigenous people oijabanina ngasi akhoi gi tungi yumbi oijaraga su tumina laithokpa yaraktaba akhoi gi tungi future da lambi da yam soklakpa maram oibana ngasi akhoi su yaningde masi chana biganu haiba si lengakta uchabani central government nasu masi yaringai di chana bidanaba adagi state government nasu chana bidanaba kanna honabiyu haibasi aigi side tagi appeal tawjak
yamna chumba wafam ne ngasidi medical satra sing yauna lamdam masi tongan ba miyoi sing amadi praja sing kanglup lup kaya amana ngasidi changsel laktuna CAB bill channa yaro habe wafam kaya am phongdorokle camera person Ibo Sanagloina na pawdum jariba video journalist Bisorjet Imphal East Janems.
Sagolban Moirang Leirak Akham Lekai joined the anti-bill protest. A sit-in was organized by Women Organization and Sido Club. The demonstrator held several placards denouncing CAB. A women protester decried the policy of government of India with regards to CAB. He said the center has been trying to annihilate the peoples of Northeast with the help of such a bill.
Sigi bill jina pass tawgiba taragadi akhoi Maikai Kuding Magtagi, Mio Sing Sinachum Huptala, Tangak Pataragadi, a quagi tung, the Hauraiba, Ichasing, Switching Haurakadori, Miron Sing da Hauraiba, quagi proofings the Labham later, Tabagi, Awa, Babayama, Matinga, Kanya Hibatugi, Quagi Iram the Masikal Hauda Bayadi, Hibagi, Kano the Tamjaraga, Quinawakat Mikamasi Pamjabani.
And now let's have a short break. Stay with us.
Lamjingba Group na Manipur Lairiba Assembly Constituency Humpudagi, Mathauda Pukning Changba Public Relationship Executive Post ki Mioi Amamam Lagzagadori, Mahigi Thag Yam Drabada Graduation Oigedabani, Akupa Marol Gidama Contact Tobiro at 131-944-063, Amukasu at 131-944-063, Aikwegi address Lamjingba Group, Rims Road, Imphal, phone number at 131-944-063.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong chaw lobi ngasi muglengchin biroksi mobile furniture Coapitel near Imphal Quarters.
Manipur da ihan hangoin handuksaba Green Can Industries Masida commercial kitchen equipments amadi bakery item makhal suna phangiragani.
We're very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
And Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services si amna pending our entrepreneurs na Green Can Industries that depend on yani
we trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best. We love the quality of Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Agum so mutang lengshin biratuna apuko marol gidamakta tanabiu aikoi address Green Can Industries Mahangum Lekai SBI ATM building. Green Can Industries for better baking.
The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Welcome back. Apun Bamaira Paibi Luf of Sagolban Maino Lerak also struck a sit-in protest against CAB at Maino Lerak today. The demonstrators were holding black flags and shouted anti-CAB slogans during the protest. Taking part in the demonstration, General Secretary of the Apun Bamaira Paibi Luf, Kehis Amita, expressed various viewpoints regarding the contentious bill.
Bill asi kariguma pass hek tor pon matamda ekhoi Manipur la riba ekhoi miyamna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯣꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯕꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯣꯛ ꯑꯄꯟ ꯅꯪꯗꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯣꯛ ꯑꯄꯟ ꯅꯪꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯜ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ CAB ꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯅꯣꯂꯦꯔꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯁꯝꯊꯣꯡ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯒꯣꯜꯕꯟ ꯃꯩꯅꯣꯂꯦꯔꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯌꯟꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯃꯆꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯪꯖꯔꯤ.
Residents of Kwakaithel Akham Lekai Maning Nganu Lampak have strongly condemned the police action in which police personnel shot tear gas sale in residential areas. One of the residents of the area, Nangmoi Rakpam Guneshwar, said police personnel shot a tear gas sale at his house around 2:38 this afternoon. He appealed to the authority concerned not to repeat such action in future. Merapaibis of Sagolban, Tingom Lekai, Merapaibi and volunteers of Youth Welfare Club YWC jointly staged sit-in demonstration in protest against the CA bill. Protesters put up placards reading, "We condemn CA bill. We will not accept the bill even with new clause or provision. We condemn the state government for suspending internet service and imposing curfew." Similarly, in condemnation of CAFE, people came out in large number and blocked the Mayailambi stretch of Langthabal Furamakong. The protesters burned tires and tree branches on the road to disrupt traffic movement. At the same time, a large number of people joined anti-CAFE agitation in various localities of Langthabal, Mongsangi, Amanglekai and Mongsangi School Lerok. The protesters put down their views and opinions regarding the CAFE.
Junction jagani aduga akata na dum junction jagani khoi lepa laitana aduga bin che yanaba puraktana khoina Narendra Modi saka achina silai ba thoranga che akhoi sung ya janingde aduna bin che handokta ba taragadi akhoi chiraba june akhoi isai than society tora chi ju sigani bin puthokpagi matang sigumba issue sida akhoi khwarman bazar da koi mai bin mayam da dharna tokduna awaba kya khangdana hing tum da gai leiri ma matam sida mathong man khangdaba makhon thokdaba akhoi tear gas kya kapsandana mamit mana soktana mamin mana tangbase mamin mana soktana mamin mana bawda udaba kaya ma yoksilaba matam sida koi hojiki bali ba lebak sina kaino sina aso asang koi mantri mandol hoji oibiriba koi sem mayam sina tumina laithok pai base koi yaningde prime minister na su asigumba sida khatang thawai yoksin biraga moigi marakta tinhan akoi state government sibu moigi makhada leheninga gadi moigi makhada Tilaninga moigi magta tilaninga gadi akoina haibasu khatang North East ki oina koi Manipur state ki oina koi praja miyam na haibasi su khatang tabi haidina koi prime minister masamagta state ki koi chief minister masamagta koi haijaningi
Sukimati akoigi wakanda akoigi ngasi pass tawgani haibagi akiba ma leibasna maram oiduna ngasi akoi lekai gi Merapai bi amadi akoi club sangstan me ampulaga akoigi lekai sigi oiba pulap pullaka ngasi khonjang sangsan jabani adu police mai ama lakna akoi thugaina ba hanjan jala ami adu moi akoi mukna badagi moi ayamba hojikti hangre haitare ayamba akoina hojik police hanjan lame kawagi lame adigi Imphal West ki kari gi ayamba sidi mai am lakna akoi si thugaina ba kana silami adu bu akoina ngamdana moi ayamba hojiki ondi akoina ngamna san khonjang makha kana
Singzamai Kaithel vendors and street vendors last night staged anti-bill protests while shouting slogans. They observed a night hold at the market site.
Long live Manipur! Manipur the CA bill! Long live Manipur! Manipur the CA bill!
People in border town of Moreh also held anti-bill protests in support of Manpak, spearheading the bill agitation. The town witnessed a shutdown due to demonstration. People also protested near Mori SBI office condemning CAPE.
Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 ase pass tawini habis leida koi mi paibe yam pawi aduna koi yam chathina masi koi ni oppose tawi aduna more da leriba civil society mayam maira paibi sing praja mayam thoktuna hairiba bill ase pass tawbigunu haiduna koi mayam dharna phambani
bill asi koi miyam parjana sungya yaningde masi karigumba withdraw tawdaba taragadi aikoina ahum suba nupi lang changsin nabagi damakta aikoi hoji sem sare
Kebini matang dene koine ne ngasi leptari ba changi ba khongjang che yaning da bagi ni si tawba yaro haidena koi sidai hen in bas tawi da kan bu khongjang changani akoi di khongjang so hal ro ngasi.
Amid the curfew, the ongoing relay hunger strike stake by Thangmaiban United Club and residents of Thangmaiban entered 60. Vice President of Club Pratap Lesangthem, who was participating in the strike, stated that CAPE is a big challenge to the natives of the entire Northeast region and the hunger strike will continue unless the bill is withdrawn.
Hunger strike here, Thai United Club na sinjara kan organize toraga famjabani. Anu ngasi curfew le gasu ekoi gi tohum thobo thodang ludi ekoi chapchana pangthokani ekoi sathagani. Loina hoji CAPE ki matang da Rajya Sabha da hoji pass tawna ba honori base sige mayok ta kini lepkani Manipur miyam ki dang ekoi Thai United Club na chapchana thenana gi ekoi hoji ji sem sa le madu kari thulakaduna haibududi lautorok matungda mayam khangani.
Additional security measures have been taken up to safeguard the life and properties of MPs and MLAs, considering the ongoing strong agitation by the masses in protest against CAPE. Adequate securities like iron grate barricades have been put up at the residence of Rajya Sabha MP KSS Bhavananda in Kaisampat, Wahengbam Lekai. Similarly, additional security forces have been deployed at the residence of Sagolban AC MLA RK Imo, Deputy CM Y. Joy Kumar in Nauremthong, Health Minister L. Jayendra Kumar residence in Pisumthong. However, the security provided to the residents of Congress MLAs are less in number comparing to the security personnel provided to BJP MLAs and Minister, sources inform.
Lamdumasi miyamna man pekilising makada kongyong silak baleptri masisu miyamna kongyong essentially adu kongyong kongyong singasida thoni da thokok sing thok tanabagi da security force lo kolak ba kongtang amagi oina miyam gi mhut amo riba MP amasung MLA singi mayumda security force na angak senbi thabag essentially hoji isu ekoi gi mang leibi riba famasi ekoi gi Rajya Sabha gi MP riba ekoi gi case bawan na singagi sangai ne ma ke mayum sida hoji akan ba security force na ngak bi thabag sathari.
As a part of the ongoing movement against the controversial CAPE, people came out and staked in demonstration on Imphal-Jiri Highway against the bill today. Similarly, a large number of people of Sagolban, Thangzam Leirak Machin Tera, Amudon Akam Lekai, and Tera Lokrakpam Lekai held a sit-in protest and blocked the road in condemnation of the bill. On the other side, sit-in protests against CAPE were also held by residents of Pangai Hararau, Kundrakpa Mayai Lekai and Pangai Barja today, wherein the women folk participating in the protest spoke out their viewpoints to the Tom TV.
Manipurda CAP satnaba yaroi masi kai gumba sarkar asina akhoi mayokta namdana tawsak taragati akhoi harau ke khunja puna maksu akhoi indhana lemna to oi hamigi atopa state ki minister di resign tawjerage haina hai akhoi Manipur government gi chief minister di adugumba wahi ama pawda ngasi gi khoi Manipur gi samaj da mana haibi balaite Nagaland dagi Meghalaya kari atopa state mayam di akhoi sigi bilji yaning de haiduna isana resign tawjerage na haiba khoi loina khangna ra bangatani
karigumba CAB asina Manipur da kalmasana bataragati akhoi le horiba akhoi Kari Manipur ki parampara haiba tare yalong missing ase loina muthiba yabagi akiba leibana haiba bill ase karigumba lok sabha da pass tor ko taragati akhoi Manipur de nupi mayam ase ahum sabha nupi lan soide makit thokani masibati sarakar haraga seri le Manipur sanghan bi talaba Manipur de bill ase Manipur de awang long pong dam da bill ase pass to ba yaroi.
Residents of Grace Colony, Guigarong Tarung and Tarung Khunjau stake a sit-in protest expressing resentment against CAPE by adorning their traditional attire at the community hall of Thangmaiban, Langol Tarung today. Meanwhile, locals of Langol Housing Complex, Langol Laimanai, Langol Type 2, Aying Lekai, and Langol Type 3 also staggered in protest against the Cape at e-parking today. Attending the seat protest held in Langol Tarung, Chairman of the Langol Tarung Village Authority, Pan Mai Songkhu, had put down his views on the current Cape issue.
Tarung, the Grace Colony Tarung, the Tarung Kunjao, I call Ahumsi, Handak Chaliba 2016 Amendment Bill, Ya the big Kongjang Jingasi, Sataribani, Aduga, Nasi Amu Moina, Raja Sabata Putokadoriba, Bill Ase, passed over Targana, Masidiki Hena, Akan Kongjang, Amu Sataki Hadana, Adumina, Mian the Tamjedi.
Residents of Kwakatel Thiam Lekai also came out to agitate on the road against Cape today, and on the other hand, agitation were held at Kwakatel, Konjing Lekai, along with similar protests being staged by Ants Club and Maya Club and locals of Hainu Kongnembi as well. And now let's have a short break.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur private satellite television channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner Rs 1 lakh, first runners-up Rs 80,000, second runners-up Rs 50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
Welcome back. Agitation against Cape was staged by masses of Langjing Achauba, Awang Kuno, Kumbung Bazar, Takyel, Kolom Lerak Machin, and Kamnam Lerak along the Imphal Jiri Highway. Protesters came out and blocked the roads and set tires and tree branches on fire during the anti-Cape agitations.
Manipur da East, South, North, West ladiba. Akoy Thaina ipa ipuna thamambal lamje maselam ta mangba yaroina ningthau palingai matam ta khubam maselam mangam de aduga hojikti sarkar paiba mayam sina marawari mayam sina lam yon thokpa yon jinba adagi mitop changhanba aduga Manipur masana ne mi gi minai sithangda lehna bahona rakpase masi akoy pamjade haidona mafam sida akoy economy broadcast sathajabani akoy hojikso binjeng asi karigumba pass Tauba Taudaba, Hibasi Libag Lemnari, Adokariba bin Pasta Hibataragadi, Akoi Sarkas, Atuba Matamda, said who put up Pantadopio, Birenzo Pantadopio, Adonareda Motizo Pantadopio, Karidamakta, my time Masawa, Pam Gondana Legadoribano, Tunda Horeba Sai Suki Kalaga, Akoina Maman Yang Herba, Akoi Borki Sinjinambi Bani. Akoy podcast in number city lebak se tungdu laitana le na pagdamtan nambani atudu laitana leitraba imai be mayam wahan ba satra satri bu sai jahan ba imai ben kaya bu phuwa sai ba tawba maram masina akoy sohan handana ne akoy lebak se gi damakta tungda hore bisa se gi damakta khojang le tal sangthan gani adu gane siru jo thawai thado gani hai ba athuba matamda silumpu phan thadok bio biren phan thadok bio Narendra Modi phan thadok kada bane.
In spite of the CRPC 144 being imposed today in Imphal West and Imphal East district in view of the bill agitation, the irate locals of Singzabai Payengbam Laikai burned down the effigies of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister in Biren on the Imphal-Mori Highway in protest against the controversial Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Residents of Uripok, Kabrabam Laikai and Lalambong Takhelambam Laikai also staged agitation against CAP today, and in which the protesters were expressing that the bill must not be imposed in the Northeast region at any cost.
Pau Pong of Yadu Mong Malaysia, Masi, Pende, Mamdi Kano, the Pauks, Ponga, Targadi, when a toning to Tolpaya, to Yargadi, particularly when nature Handopio, Pau Ponga and Bio, or the Prazazing Je, Chapuman, the Hapaga, Halaga Happy or Kalama Kanmaki Mong Male, Masing say, Sigi, Lava Kanmuji, Kudum Savalorga, Woman, Makeda, Hajage, Yargamasi Handopio, Masi, and Pataba Podam Toloka of Male, I don't know, Lady Ba and Sigi Sangeli Conjunction, which heck, Lok Savagi. Asima main tadrok de ko maka tan sangjen ji do ji le ba thabak le pagi khungthang ji ko isai sa gi thobang le khungthang ji jo se ko maka cha tha na ba program do lok tu piro na.
Meanwhile, talking to Tom TV News at Noni, convener of Manipur People Against CA Bill Manpack, Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar has said that even as the bill was tabled in today's Rajya Sabha sitting, which is the penultimate sitting of the budget session, Manpack along with the people will continue the protest until the bill is withdrawn.
Parliament ki session asi mathangi numit ki pung taramathoi phaude yethok khibaga iroina na Imphal East amsung West Manipur government su curfew laukthok pisina maram oirakanda aikhoigi Manpack ki khongjang asi su hanagi sumna hena kansen na makha tana chathagi gani haibo wafam sima thamjari.
The All Manipur United Clubs organization AMUCO has said today that the center's interpretation of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 is quite different from that of the Northeast, including Manipur. The organization has called upon the people to stand united against the government of India move to implement the legislation in the region. AMUCO President P.H. Devan stated this during the 26th Foundation Day of the organization held its office located at Kwagathel Akam Laikai in Imphal. At the event, Devan also recalled how AMUCO was formed on this day, February 12, 1993. He further talked about various activities which were carried out by the organization since its inception. Devan mentioned about the key role played by the organization while facing the issues of boundaries, ILP migrants and other in the state. The AMUCO leader then accused the government of India of repeatedly trying to crush the peoples of Northeast. Devan criticized the Modi government at the center of allegedly sending more and more army personnel and paramilitary forces to the Northeast on the pretext of giving more impetus with regards to development of the region. He said that now the center has spewed venom in the entire Northeast where unrest persists over the Cape. AMUCO will continue to go along with the people in protesting the bill, Devan said. Organization Vice President P.S. Nando Luang, General Secretary S. Sanjoy and other members attended the function where leaders of various civil society organizations were also honored by presenting simple gifts to mark the occasion. A community awareness and outreach program was held at Faitol village under Tausem subdivision of Tamenglong district on Tuesday. The program was jointly organized by 12th Battalion National Disaster Response Force, NDRF, Arunachal Pradesh and District Administration Tamenglong. The proceedings of Lok Sabha on February 12 were adjourned for nearly 20 minutes during question hour amid slogan shouting by Congress members over the Rafale issue. Amid sloganeering in the wheel, Speaker Sumitra Mahajan continued with the question hour for nearly 25 minutes. But the Speaker adjourned the House for nearly 20 minutes till 12:45 a.m. when the slogan shouting continued. Congress members were heard demanding constitution of a joint parliamentary committee to probe the Rafale fighter jet deal. She was unhappy that Congress members were raising slogans and displaying placards and disrupting proceedings. She said members were flouting rules by holding placards and raising slogans. Discussion on Rafale has already taken place. Every day you cannot disrupt. It is below standard, she said, adjourning the House. Before we close, let's see the top stories once again. Kept no table in Rajya Sabha today. House adjourned till 11 a.m. tomorrow. Five protesters, including one Amuko volunteers and one Meira Paibi, injured in police action during CA bill protests. Massive anti-bill protest continues unabated despite 144 CRPC being claimed by government. MPCC said in protest against CAPE in New Delhi withdrew CA bill immediately, as a CLP leader Oibobi. State CPI mocks BJP-led coalition for being double-faced, claims CM support CAPE. Nude protest against CAPE in front of BJP office. And Manpack will continue CAPE agitation along with people, asserted convener of Manpack Y. Dilip Kumar. That's all for today, and thank you very much for joining us, and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.